What's going on, stackers? So in this video we're going to be talking about how to create your first $1,000 publishing low content books. Now if you're new here, my name's Paddy, and every single day I like to bring out videos teaching you how to make money with nothing more than your internet connection and your laptop. So go hit subscribe and hit that little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. Also, if you want to bypass the learning process, you can check out that first link in the description below to go to Printing Profits. This course will take you step by step on everything I did to get my results. You can also get there by going to printingprofits.com with no G. So if you want to create $1,000 publishing, or your first $1,000, there's a couple of rules that you should live by. Now these are my own personal rules and I'm going to get them or tell you them in a second. Now me personally, I publish books pretty much every single day, and there's multiple reasons behind that. If you want to learn my strategy, then come over to the channel, and if we scroll down a little bit and go just here, watch this, because this talks about my strategy. Now I'll also try and link this down in the description below or right there in the right hand corner. Now me personally, I've had some pretty good results. I think this is my 5th month doing this now, creating low content books. My first month I did around £300–400, round about the same for my second month. Then my third month I did just over £2,000. My 4th month I did £1,000, and now my 5th month, this month, I've just made just under £1,000. So that's over $1,000 consistently for the last 3 months. And yesterday I did £25, and today so far I've only done £5 in royalties. Now this fluctuates every single day because there's so many factors that come into play. Now let's go over to here and we can see my earnings for the last month. Here I had some good days, 36, 30, 25, 29. This was a good day. I did £85 in royalties, and then 41 there, 64 and 67. But as you can see, I had a really low day here, which is just £9. Now like I said, there's so many different factors that come into play, and your books on Amazon, their rankings change day by day. Because of that, so will your earnings. Now let's talk about the 2 rules that you should live by or do if you're creating low content books. Now again, this is just my strategy. Everyone is different. All different people have different strategies. All I do on this channel is teach what I do and what works for me, because it might work for you as well. So what are these rules? Well, the first one is consistency. So I consistently make low content books. Again, if you want to understand why, check out that link in the description to watch my video all about my strategy. So every day, because I'm consistent, I consistently make new books, literally every single day. And because I'm consistent, this has got me the results. Now, if you want results in anything you do in life, you have to be consistent. If you wanted to lose weight, build muscle, you'd have to be consistent with your diet and your working out. Well, it's the same with building a business. You want to consistently be building that business. So that's the first one, consistency. The second one is testing. So you always want to be testing. You want to be testing new niches and new books. Then once you've found a niche which is working for you, you can go deeper within that niche and start creating more books. So these are the 2 rules that I think you should stick to when it comes to creating low and no content books, consistency and testing. And this is what literally has got me my results. I consistently publish new books and I'm always testing different niches to find what works for me, because that's another thing. It's all down to what works for you. Now, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Also, go and hit subscribe and hit that little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. That being said, I've been Paddy, this has been Stacking Profit, and I'll see you again soon.